On the Mac Aura PXL, we also offer a wide range of accessories such as those from City Theatrical. There's a little bit of a difference in the way they are installed though, as they require the use of these small plates in order to install them. As you can see, the small bracket simply installs just behind the standard screw on the front of the PXL. Once the plates are installed, it is then simply a case of placing your top hat or other accessory onto the PXL and placing in the small screw on each point. Secure this into place and your PXL is then ready to go. No safety is required as these are screwed and secured to the front of the product.